Okay, this is cylinder number 1, and that was the one where the rod bearing completely failed. This is the biggest scratch we've got. Absolutely cannot get any kind of a fingernail on it. This is the cylinder that was exposed. This is cylinder number 2. You can see that there's still some oil on there, but you got some light markings over there. This is cylinder number 3. Got some light scuffing there. This is 4. Those are oil dribbles that you see. Okay, 5. See if we can't get. You can see some. Having a hard time focusing there. Some light scuffing. That is a reflection, it seems like. Oh no, there is some kind of a discoloration there. That is a real thing. Don't know what that is. Right there. Doesn't wipe off. There's still cross-hatching going through it, but don't know what that is. And then the floor, we're back around to the floor. There's one up and down scuff mark that runs the length there. And then we have 6. With an up and down scuff on the wall pointing to number 1. And then trying to keep it out of the sun there. Man, that's tough. Okay. Nothing exceptional on number 6. So that's the overview of 1 through 6 here. The number 1 has the most notable scuff. Number 5 has that really weird. Let's see if I can get a better, closer up shot of that. Whatever that is. Alright.